guys, welcome back to my channel Fun with Herschel, and today I'm going to tell you how to make a subscribe animation. So I thought I told how to make an intro, but today I will tell you how to make a subscribe animation with the same Pamzo aid. So guys, let's get started. To do that, first open your web browser and search for Pamzo8, and then scroll to the bottom, click on more creations, and here search subscribe bell. So here we got it. You can choose any. I am choosing this one. Click on open in clip maker. Now let us try playing it. Okay, this is fine. And if you want to add some text, you can. Okay, this one is not great. Let us choose. Okay, first click on the first one you get, then scroll down, and yes, this one is fine. Click on open in clip maker once again because I didn't like that one much. This is the same for my channel. I'm going to tell you how to use this. Okay, so scroll down and search for the text. See your logo and name. I will be entering my name. Fun with or trial video. Okay, sorry. Here you have to write on the first one. Don't forget to like, and in the second one, okay, sorry. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to like. Click somewhere out and click on this text. Subscribe. And the second one will be subscribed. And now it's done. Okay. I think I did something wrong. You can customize it which project you get. Don't forget to like. Yes, and you can move it to the center. I'm moving it over here, or you can do like this. Don't forget. Here I will write trial. I don't know, it's something else. Yes. And so guys, we got it. And click on this download button, and you can choose a format and click on start video render and let it complete. And so guys, thanks for watching.